How to eat healthy foods when on a budget. People often assume that to eat healthy foods means you must spend more money. They see special food products or supplements being offered and wonder how they would ever be able to afford those, as well as buying the food needed to feed the family. If this is your dilemma, then you can consider the problem solved today for you. You will not need to buy any foods that only you can eat, because you should be making the decision for your family to eat the same meals. If you are shopping, then you can make the changes needed. Stop buying junk food and start buying good fresh products. If you buy microwaveable meals for your normal main course, they can work out quite expensive. Also, many are high calories and high fat but small portions. Not too long after finishing the meal you are hungry and start to eat more. Buy fresh meat or fish and add in vegetables and you will have a healthy meal for less than you have paid before. Choose white meat over red, removing the skin. Have red meat as a treat when you can afford to add it to the diet. Instead of buying all those sodas, try buying flavored water. Many of these have less than 10 calories in the whole bottle. There will be flavors to suit all tastes. Or you could use fruit juice diluted with sparkling water. Buy fruit and vegetables when they are in season. If there is a special offer, learn how to freeze it and it will become available when you need it. If you are not sure about pulses because you need to make sure you fast boil them for 20 minutes to eliminate all the toxins in them, then use the canned beans. If your family won't eat pulses, then you can always add them to a meal. Instead of using all minced meat, try half meat and half lentils and the family won't notice the difference. These are all ways to have a healthy diet when you are on a budget. You don't have to spend a lot of money buying foods, and you might even find that you have saved yourself some money in the process. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe.